Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we will learn count 1, 2, 3, 4. So kids, let's start the video. Red color. 1, O-N-E, 1. 1, O-N-E, 1. Blue color. 2, T-W-O, 2. 2, T-W-O, 2. Purple color. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Black color. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. ये है 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Red color. 5, F-I-V, 5. ये है 5. ये है 5, F-I-V, 5. 6, S-I-X, 6. ये है 6, S-I-X, 6. ब्लू कलर. ये है 7. ये है 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. ये है 7. पर्पल कलर. ये है 8. ये है 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. ये है 8. ब्लैक कलर. ये है 9. ये है 9, N-I-N-E, 9. ये है 9, N-I-N-E, 9. रेड कलर. ये है 10. ये है 10, T-N, 10. ये है 10, T-N, 10. 1, O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V, 5. 6, S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. 10, T-N, 10. Hello kids, like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.